welcome to ShowBuilder Tutorials. Today we're learning about the edit function using the company page as an example. As mentioned in the action icon tutorial, this is the edit button. You will see this icon throughout ShowBuilder. By clicking it, you are brought to an edit page for that particular entry. You can then make changes to the parameters specific for that entry. Currently, we are on the edit page for a company member. Now, when looking at the edit window, there are a few things to take note of. Some parameters have a white box, which means it is a combo box. You can either type in information or select from a drop-down menu. This is true of title and track name. With these combo boxes, as you add in our purposes, a new title or track name, ShowBuilder will then ask you if you would like to save this new title track name to this show specifically or to all productions. By saving to all productions, as you use ShowBuilder more often, you will inherently create a library using your own terminology. Thus, the more often you use it, the more it will add to your library and preferences, and the easier it will be to create a show in the future. Moving along, you can also notice that there are some boxes that are grayed out. This means that you can only select from existing options for this particular parameter. Knowing that, let's take a look at Select Different Player for this track. Here you can see that we have a grayed out box. However, next to it we have an Add New Player icon. This means that although you can only select from this list, you can also add a player to that list. Now, while we're in this window, I'd like to draw your attention to a few new action icons. We'll start up here. Because we utilize the drop-down menu for Select a Different Player for this track and for Privacy Level, we now have two new icons up here in the bar. The first one is Reset, as seen here. Reset simply acts as an undo button. If you've made a change and you decided you don't like that change or it is incorrect, you can hit the reset button and it will revert back. You also have a save icon in case you make a change and you would like to keep that. For our purposes, we're going to reset. Now additionally, you also have a delete icon. There is one right down here for delete image, as well as one up here for an overall delete entry. Both of those are fairly self-explanatory. Now then, down here we have a new icon as well. This is Edit Image. Edit Image allows you to make basic edits to your image, such as cropping or changing the orientation. There is also a new menu here in the corner now that we have selected a specific entry. When you click on this icon, it will bring you to a new sub-menu for this entry. This will allow you to delve more into the specifics of an entry and go into more detail. We will go over these pages and also take a more in-depth look at the Edit Company page in a later video. Lastly is this new icon here, which looks like a grid. This is a Save and Exit to Grid icon and allows you to save and exit out of the edit window. That should give you a basic overview of how to use the edit feature. We hope this was a useful video for you, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment below or send us an email. Thanks for stopping by, and let's get on with the show.